Okay, what's the deal? Sabrina just came back and said, video up, video up. So we're going to see what's going on here.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay. Let us get settled in here. Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
She's getting all camera shy. And those hiccups are so cute. She wants to laugh, but she's distracted.
Yeah, she's distracted by you now.
Don't look at me. Look at Mommy. Mommy's being a Goonie bird. Laugh at her. You pop and she hiccups. You know, if talking lessons are going to get anything like this, we're not going to get anywhere with this kid. The hiccups are so cute. I'm all laughed out, but you know what? I noticed the hidden camera over there, and I think I'm being punked. Oh. That's cute. Can I get her laughing again?
I can try.
That laugh is cute. Thanks, Mom.
She's too distracted by the camera.
Never break the fourth wall, kid. You're going to lose your Hollywood career if you keep that up.
Over here.
Cute. Well, I call it good at 3 minutes. What do you think?
Okay, sure.
All right. Let's get a little of you in there, too.
Bleh.